Hi, my name is Nakia, and I'm a Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. So, I have recently relaunched my full Life and Home Organizational Strategies course. I'm so excited about this launch. In addition to it being just an amazing course, you also receive tons of freebies, including access to my private Facebook community, which also gives you access to other items. So in the course, it gives you tips and suggestions and actually things that are measurable, things that you're supposed to do for each room in your home. Also, there is actually an assignment for you to complete after you finish each section. So I hope you can go on over to my website. The link will be in the description box below and get more information about the course. So I have the full home organizational strategies course, and there is a free 5 days to an organized life course as well. I will leave that in the description box below. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you know anyone who needs this information, please share this with them. And the course can also be given as a gift. So I know the holidays are coming up. And also stay tuned because I'm going to be announcing some really good Black Friday deals with the course. So as a hint, my 2025 Divine Life and Home Planner has been recently released. So who knows, maybe you can get a free planner with the course. So please follow me on Instagram. I will be posting those Black Friday deals on Instagram. And then also subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed. Thank you very much for watching this video and have a divine day. Goodbye.